Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Smartsheet to Salesforce, full guide step by step clearly. Start by logging into your Smartsheet account. Once you are logged in, navigate to the Home tab. Click on the Apps option located in the left sidebar. In the Apps section, search for Salesforce in the search bar. Select the Salesforce integration from the search results. Click on the Connect button to begin the integration process. You will be prompted to log into your Salesforce account. Enter your Salesforce credentials and click Login. Grant Smartsheet the necessary permissions by clicking Allow. After allowing access, return to your Smartsheet interface. Now you can create a new sheet or select an existing one to connect to Salesforce. To connect a sheet, click on Automation at the top of the sheet. Select Integrations from the drop-down menu. Click on Salesforce to initiate the setup process. Choose the specific Salesforce object you want to connect to. Map the fields in your Smartsheet to the corresponding fields in Salesforce. Double-check that all required fields are correctly mapped. Once the mapping is complete, click Save to finalize the connection. To automate data sync, set up any additional automation rules as needed. Test the connection by adding a new record in Smartsheet. Verify that the record appears correctly in Salesforce. Adjust any settings or mappings as necessary based on the test results. Your Smartsheet is now successfully connected to Salesforce. Start managing your projects and data efficiently with this integration. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.